What's up, TNS fam? So I'll introduce you to one of the brothers here, Jared. Where are you flying, brother?
Going back into Auckland, see the parents. Good to see this fella, man.
Yeah, so I was like, what the hell? Whereabouts in Auckland are you going to?
I'm going to Southside.
Shout out to all the Southsiders.
Gotta go see all the guys over there.
Just spread a little love, eh?
Shout out to the TNS family.
Oh, my man.
This one's holding it down.
For your handle on this.
Follow me on Insta, Rich the Barber if he's need a haircut. Look it up.
Yeah, for sure. He's got you. Let's go. What's up, TNS family? Back with another vlog. If you can guess where I am at the moment, right now. Literally that it's very windy. It's not the biggest place, and that's where I was born and raised. Okay, if you haven't guessed it now, I'm back in Wellington, family. Back, it goes back. I've been here since 2015. So I'll explain to you guys a little bit later when my boy gets here to pick me up, why I'm here, and show you guys around Welly as much as I can for the short time that I'm here. Family.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Up to.
Gee, I just finished seeing Josh in there.
Oh.
I think they picked up maybe Sally.
Oh yeah.
Sally and young Kai.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Oh, did you bring your guys' camera?
Yeah.
Bro, what's Sera gonna do to you?
She's slowly caping, my bro. Oh man, bro, it feels so crazy to be back there. Warm, man.
You reckon? Oh, no, it'll be warm today, I reckon, Jay. Because yesterday was warm.
Alright fam, so Travis has brought us to Supreme Bakery. He reckons that they got real good pies. Mr. Bun down the road, they used to have the bomb pies back in the day, but he said that this place is the go.
Let's get what you want, bro.
So yeah, all of you back in Oz, this is what a real pie looks like. Yuck. Alright family, steak and cheese pie. Shout out to my brother Travis. Look at that. Here we go. No words.
Oh my.
Gee, show everyone how you eat the pie, G. You take this outside. So yeah, if you ever come down here, Supreme Bakery is in Miramar, Wellington. A 10. Is that a 10, Trev? Trev and the Seagulls give us that a 10. So there was just a little run through Daniel's house. I'll try and get a bit more footage of the man later on today. But we're just headed off to Travis's house to drop off my stuff and freshen up in that. Because the man here wants to get a pumping. Hey big fella. So yeah, right now we're in Oriental Bay and we're, you know, just chatting and talking memories. Seeing everything just brings back so many memories. Kind of feel like a little kid again. But that's enough for me. Enjoy Oriental Bay. So we're coming up to Travis's street. Now, Travis has some pretty big calves. You're gonna see why. Years and years of doing this hill. So now fams, let's have a look at Travis's house. Close the door, G. Told him. Oh, you've done it. Oh, it took the longest time. Too much. Bam. So Travis has thrown me under the bus. He said we were gonna go gym. Gym equals weights. Nah, he's talking boxing gym. You kidding me? I'm here to eat pies. See fam, this is the joint.
Hi everyone, my name's Akila. I'm one of the trainers at Wellington Boxing Gym here in Wellington, New Zealand, in Kilburnie. If you are keen to try out BoxFit, then definitely head down, and these people are now pushing through it 100%.
Okay, now we're just making a quick stop here at Pack and Save supermarket down here in Kilburnie still, and we're gonna get some water. Water? Just water, eh, bro? Oh, whatever. Water, some lollies. No. Back in the day, we used to come here before school, sometimes during lunch, sometimes we wagged periods. Hey! Oh, yeah, there we go. As I was saying, we used to come here a lot before school, during school, wag school, and get these, remember those chicken chips? Yeah, they used to get here. So they used to have chicken chips, and bro, they're actually pretty expensive. Coming to think about it, but they were bomb ass. There we go. They're still here. Chicken chips. See, the man's getting chicken chips. That's very nice, but I'm not gonna get it because we're gonna go gym. And you know, we had that pie before we done the boxing, and I wasn't feeling too good, man. So hopefully get some footage of us at the gym. If not, then I'll vlog the rest of the day and what's gonna go down, and give you guys a proper introduction of Trav's family, the boys, my brother Daniel, the whole reason why we're here, or why I'm here in New Zealand, and his family. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now I've got to find Trav. Oh, there. Handsome. Alright fam, so we have pulled up to City Fitness. City Fitness down here at LAKEY Bay. Here we go. It's about 3:30 right now, fam. Donna's dropping us off into the city for Dan's big event tonight, the SATUU. But I just want to show you guys this tunnel. It's Mount Victoria tunnel from Welly. Everyone knows what's up. You come in the tunnel to give it a beep. You hear the beeps. It's tradition to do it. Everyone does it, and it's quite funny when you're young, is to try and hold your breath from the start to the finish. Hey skunks. Oh. Yo family, so we are in town right now with the man Big Poly. Big Poly. Trav here at the front. So this is pretty much town, guys. Ah, boys. Too long, eh? Too long. Up to. Oh my gosh. God. Good morning family. So today is Sunday morning. We're getting ready for baby Kyrie's birthday, which is Josh's son. He's having a costume party down at Chipmunks in LAKEY Bay. So I haven't got a costume. Yep, I'm that guy. But Elijah has got a costume. Elijah, who are you? Black Knight. He's the Black Knight from Fortnite. He's got his plunger. He's got a suit. Can you spin around, Lige? Let's go! So Lige looks pretty cool. We've got Black Panther here. Got his VMs. Oh! And your boy, I'm Denim Man. Denim on denim. Shout out to my wife. Thank you very much, baby, for packing my bag. Okay guys, so I just want you to meet Mama Donna for a second.
Good morning, good morning. So not dressed, haven't combed hair yet, but I'm getting there.
You're always beautiful, Donna, always.
Bye. It's a party where you're allowed to dress up, yeah. So here I am dressed up.
Okay fam, this is Kyrie's dad. Kyrie's first birthday. My day one. Oh, third birthday.
First in New Zealand.
First in New Zealand. Sana just pulled up. Oos. Sick. And that's what it looks like, fam. Patrick Star. That looks good, Oos. That looks good.
Wanting to get the kids. I'm gonna get them.
Yuck! Time for the cake! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyrie. Happy birthday to you. family, so we just had a quick stop at the dairy, aka Milk Bar, and got one of my all-time favorite chips, Cool Crisps. Cool Crisps. I'm gonna see if they're still the diapers. Family, if you like watching this Twitch, follow Twitch. What? Sorry, how do you say it? If you wanna follow a dope player on the Twitch, it is Elijah Dragon New. So I'll write it up here. But just check out the bay for a bit. Just fishing off the sidewalk, man. Oh, fishing off the sidewalk. How good is that? That is beautiful. So if you're ever down here, this place is called Oriental Bay. And yeah, I'll ride across the road in my bare feet.
3601.
Okay. Boom. Large on the right. Is this place good?
Oh yeah, jackpot.
Boom. This is my cool way. It's only for a couple of days and see we're still on the phone talking to each other. So we got our burgers from LAKEY. I got the, I forgot what I got, but it's a bomber. Thank you, lads. So I got the single bomber, fried chicken, coleslaw, and their LAKEY sauce with some chips, gravy chips. Oh no, so here we go. Wish me luck, fam. Yep, trying the chips. I reckon that's probably it's about a good 8. What yours, G? What's that jackpot? What are you giving it out of 10, my dog? 10. Honestly, 10. Proper 10. I should have listened to Trav and got the jackpot. Said I was dope. Tell everyone what you got from your ice cream. A mango flavour with a waffle cone. Is it yum? We've got tiramisu. Tiramisu gelato. Give it a 6. What did you get us?
Fruit tea.
Good morning, it is Monday, my cloud day. We just finished seeing Dan down up at the house and we're at Mr. Bun in Miramar. We're gonna get some chicken and chips because they got some bomb-ass chicken. So you get some chicken chips, I'm gonna get a steak and cheese pie and duck off to across the road and get a fish because this is the last supper. So I'll give you guys an update on how good the chicken is, how good the food is, and yeah. Yo, so it's here, guys. For a hot day. Just like I was back at school. Amazing. Now time for Hi. SPC, St. Pat's Town. Let's go. Bro, heaps of change, eh? Yeah, I'm hit. Merci, Pat's. What's up, family? So this place I hold dear to my heart. It's where it all started for the brotherhood. Myself, Daniel, Travis, Tiffany, Tani, even Sid. Started here. Primary. So yeah, all the kids want to get on the TNF vlogs. Pretty sure they didn't even know me. What's up, man? Room 1. We're our teacher flipped out because I'm Josh. Shout out to Josh. So let's do all? Yeah. Do you reckon I'll be allowed to take the camera down? Oh? You reckon I'll be allowed to take the camera down? Yeah.
You did, yeah.
Alright, family, this was one of my old teachers. Oh, sorry, my young teachers.
Yes, yeah.
It's been a very long time. And she's still here, running amok.
Oh yeah, younger than ever.
Alright, family, so now we're just taking a bit of a walk inside the school. I remember everything was so much bigger earlier. Yo. The storage here? Yeah. Jay, we done sewing in here, eh? Oh man. Gee, that was our first class actually, eh? This was our first class. This was actually our first class that we were in, me, Dan, Trav. Who else? I think maybe Tiffany? No, can't remember. Yeah. Alright family, so the last room. This room we hold dear to us, Trav. So when we were younger, me, Travis and Daniel, we would come in here and practice items and stuff. And it's not just your everyday item. We were like 7, 8, yeah? 6, 7, 8 maybe? And one of the 3. And we would practice items. And these items were, if any of you guys know, Bone Thugs. And what songs did we do? We did Paper. We've done these Days of Our Lives. I'll put a picture of Bone Thugs here so you guys can see. We've done that for our school assemblies and stuff, and the teachers are like, so yeah, this is just at the back of the library too. Hey, let's go. Okay, family, so here I am at the airport. I've already checked in. We gotta get to the boarding gate at, we gotta get to the gate at 5:45. And I'm such a good head, I forgot the charger for the camera. So Travis is racing back to drop the charger off. He's loyal, man, so stressy. I'm sorry I didn't really get so much footage of the boys. I didn't really like being in front of the camera. Just waiting for Trav. Waiting for that red car to come up there. God! So sorry, my and you were gonna take it? I was like, yo, just give me the ticket. Thank you very much. Love you, my bro. Yeah? Keep in touch. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Oh! Thank you again to my brother Trav. Holding it down for me. Got my charger now. Can head inside and get ready to board my flight. And see you guys in Melbourne. See you, fam.